Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Independence Day, observed annually on 14th August, is a national holiday in Pakistan. It commemorates the day when Pakistan achieved independence and was declared a sovereign state following the end of the British Raj in 1947. Pakistan came into existence as a result of the Pakistan movement, which aimed for the creation of an independent Muslim state in the northwestern regions of British India via partition. The movement was led by the All India Muslim League under the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The event was brought forth by the Indian Independence Act 1947, under which the British Raj gave independence to the Dominion of Pakistan, which comprised West Pakistan and East Pakistan. In the Islamic calendar, the day of independence coincided with Ramadan 27, the eve of which, being Laylatul Qadr, is regarded as sacred by Muslims. The main Independence Day ceremony takes place in Islamabad, where the national flag is hoisted at the presidential and parliament buildings. It is followed by the national anthem and live televised speeches by leaders. Usual celebratory events and festivities for the day include flag raising ceremonies, parades, cultural events, and the playing of patriotic songs. A number of award ceremonies are often held on this day, and Pakistanis hoist the national flag atop their homes or display it prominently on their vehicle and attire. The flag of Pakistan hoisted at the Mount of the Pakistan Movement in Islamabad. And here is the more information about Independence Day for yourself.